Guys, ito yung aming ulam for breakfast. Ito ay tocino, ham at saka longganisa. At si Madam ay naglugaw lang muna siya. Wow.
Hindi mo ako mamba ko po. Ganaglag kaon na. Samasan, ni Rome, Eroscon. You just eat if you want ha. The food is ready. Tatlong sa linggo. Are you going to eat na? Ikaw.
Nilali ka na, friend.
Relax lang.
Ang init pa lang.
Na-intense kasi.
Nag-igis kasi siya.
Oo.
Na-tense, bigla. Marami dili kong tanaw sa iya. China.
Rami yan.
Diyan ka na, friend. Ayan, Jen. Hangga ka mag-Jollibee.
Hey guys!
This is my husband.
Tocino.
Tocino. That's sweet.
Sweet and sour.
Yeah. And we did a big combo.
This is your food for
This is
breakfast.
Yeah, very satisfied.
Wow! That's great to hear. Yeah, this is a...
No.
So, ano natin si Oyam sa kanyang English.
Mayroon kasi yung katabi ko dito. Dito na.
English.
Ano yung ano? Tawa-tawa na lang siya.
Ganun lang dapat.
Just for communication.
Body expression.
Amanda. Alam ka muna, Amanda. Amanda is only hands to lang to you.
Yeah. But I can touch her. Mimi.
Natin. Yung girlfriend. Yung girlfriend. Pretty. Pretty? Wala yung mo.
He knows talaga pag dadating ako.
Are you living here?
Hmm?
Living here?
Me?
Agree.
Eh?
Ay, sa tarong ako sa'yo may English, me?
Sabay?
Kaya na? Oh. It's your... It's your...
Yeah?
Yeah?
Boya.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Diba?
Korean, right? Inside Korean. Yeah, I know.
Kung girl... English sa dili yun?
Ah, what?
Can I taste this?
Very yummy. Yummy kayo.
Dami tayo. It's sweet.
Sweet,
This
yeah.
one is sweet. Ah! Salty. Just try first the...
Ikaw?
No. Just the, ano,
Soup?
sabaw.
Sabaw.
Soap, yeah. Just taste it. I told you that it's salty.
Very salty.
Very salty.
Another friend.
But it's really go well with rice.
Yeah, yeah. Partikin mo yun. Yeah! I got it!
Salty, that's salty ka.
Yeah, very salty! I got it!
Salty, ah.
Yeah!
Waya!
Yeah! Yeah!
I like this taste.
Yeah!
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, yapon din siya.
Go well with drinking also.
Yan na mo.
Yeah!
Yeah, we have similar food.
Fish sauce.
Fish sauce. Yes.
Isot.
Fish sauce.
Yeah!
Fermented
Fish sauce.
fish.
This one fish is
Yeah.
when it's come for about 100
100 years.
1 year fermentation, it's become fish sauce.
Okay. So it's fermented like a
Yeah.
year?
Yeah. It's
that's
not a year, it's a month.
How much?
Month of
Ano,
fermentation.
guessing.
Wow.
And the texture will be like
Hindi ko yung
this.
friend ah.
If it is
How does it
1
smell?
year,
Yeah.
and that's the time that
It's already.
fish sauce like
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very good. Yeah.
sell in the market.
Yeah.
The color is red.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need
But
That's
like
so
it
yum.
tastes like a salty squid.
Really?
We fermented squid, and then taste will become like this. It's good. I like it.
The smell. Do you like the smell?
Yeah, I like it. We have this same food in Japan. Like,
We
similar.
like this for appetizing.
Yeah.
Mm.
That's our appetizer in Bisaya.
Appetizer.
Yeah.
Ginamos. We call it ginamos.
Inamos.
Ginamos.
Ginamos. You must try again.
Inamos. Yeah.
Yeah.
Napapalaban ko
Yeah.
sa English, lalo na si
Delicious. Yeah.
Chika sa ang ginamos. Chika sa ginamos.
Ginamos.
Ah, sila din na.
Yeah.
Inamos.
Yeah, I got it.
I got it.
You have such a fun vibes.
Yes. Very.
Ano sa'yo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hindi mo luto karon ba?
Wala pa.
Ito hindi no. Hindi na doon no.
Lain ko, gusting ko. Hindi ka mahilig ka ng...
Mo mo na ang
Try again. Ginamos. Try. Gamay lang.
Japan first time trying
Kaya
inamos.
sabi mo?
Let's go.
No.
Too much?
No. Too much. That is all.
Okay, okay. Paano mo ko kay... Prito ba? Uy, nasad mo daw.
Very salty.
Yeah.
Diba, Ting?
They have good combination with rice. I
Yes,
like
yes,
rice.
yes, yeah.
Maybe, yeah. It's good.
Gusto ay gadwa ko.
My boyfriend.
My mistress.
Alam mo gusto yun.
Yeah.
Your.
Lord. Lord.
Subordinate.
Yeah, I got it.
Ano?
I got it. I got it.
You take vegetable.
I don't eat too much.
Maybe you better eat salad.
Sarada.
What is salad?
Salad.
Salad.
Salad?
Salad.
Salad. What's the ingredient?
Friend. What?
Ha? Ikaw. Ha? Hindi naman. Di ba ka makausap?
Japanese foods are always foods, sushi, noodles,
No, ito pila.
I like. What's it called? Ramen.
Ramen?
Soup, soup, soup.
Miso soup? Soup.
Soup, soup. Soup, soup. Wow, soup, soup. Soup, soup.
Basos.
na scarlet mustard. Gamay.
Ramen. Dako.
Dako, imo? Ha?
Dako.
Ano ka, friend?
Nag-diet. Nag-diet ako.
Kado, mag-gana na pumahaw.
Wala, uy. Bako.
Kung dapat niya ka. Wala mo tayo ka lang sa balukat ka.
Dapat ko. Maulaw siya. Kuan.
Dako na sa lukan.
Hindi, maulaw siya.
Bugas.
Guys.
Wala, tulog ka galing lang. Wala mo sa pagkuhan.
Hinihilingon din ko sa inyo. Wala pa. Wala ko din sa
I have this place in Norfolk. Kinilwa?
Good morning,
Kinilwa?
everyone.
Kinilwa? Like raw, marinated raw fish.
Kinulao.
Kinilao.
Kinilaw.
Kinilao.
Please, they request kiss to you.
Siyang kikisin to.
Trabaho.
Ano daw?
Wala trabaho?
Baho daw!
Ah.
Maligoon daw. Daw.
Ano? Dito yung
And
noodles.
kiss to your viewers.
Nagman niya ako rin niya.
Lots of viewers.
What?
Lots of viewers. It's morning.
Viewers? Viewers. Apa daw mag-jail ko? Labi karisma niyo ang love. Hindi na ba? Mag-acting ka ka ng jail. Kinagis na. Uy, mo idol nag-chat sa kuan. Bleh!
Ano tayo mo?
Napasa because niya og video.
Sino gato sa mga video? Wala ba na nagtatawa ka?
Mga using lang siya kay audio siya.
Kasi ating. Hindi ating.
Search sa kuan.
Siguro mo.
So, I good imong gipansin akong
Kumpiyak ng video.
oo. Dami ka ba idol? Anak ito ko sa imo ha? Ano ito dili ka? Driver.
Ito sa iya ko i-chat di.
Driving to si mo, oy.
Ha?
Ana. Andi na. Papa.
Ganda ko lang niya.
Di mo ka di ko kailangan ano mga open now air. Ana ka na. Pero juta dili ka. Be careful.
Salamat.